1, 2, 3.
Great. Accelerate off of chest.
The purpose of the Institute is to do research, provide professional development and public outreach in the areas of sports medicine and athletic human performance, particularly in the areas of prevention of athletic injuries.
Harry, how you doing?
All right, and you?
Understand you hurt your knee?
Yep.
All right, let's just bring it right up here.
Well, the Tallahassee Orthopedic Clinic's been kind of team physicians for Florida State University for about 25 to 30 years. We all came together and we felt like we had, I call them, you know, the professional component of it from the medical side, and they had a component of it from the academic side, and if we could melt those two together, we would have, you know, an incredible team.
Well, it's unique in that many times practitioners don't necessarily talk to the scientist. And what we're trying to do is trying to get them on the same page where things that we might learn in a laboratory or in a testing environment, try to bring that down to the athletic trainers, the physical therapists, the medical doctors, the strength and conditioning specialists, so they can take the application and apply it to the athlete.
Accelerate.
Hopefully it can be one of the things where we can be involved in some studies that will allow us to be on the cutting edge in the way that we train our athletes, and we can learn from the sports sciences program and learn from some of the studies, and it can be a really positive win-win situation.